Alright guys, welcome back to Nifty Network. Today we got a DE350Z in here. This is also the same for HRs. There's a little box behind here and it controls a lot. It's called your air conditioning box. It's a white box. There's a little ribbon cable that goes to it. It does a ton of stuff. I've seen cars not start before because that was bad. So I'm going to teach you how to remove that, and yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to get started into the whole interior breakdown of this car. First things we're going to do first is get the center bezel off, or the shift bezel off. So start with going counterclockwise or loosening your shift knob off. Shift knob twists off easy. And then when you get to this section, make sure that the shifter is either in second, fourth, or sixth, or reverse, because it helps having the shifter be that way. So you're going to put your hands in right here and you're going to lift up. There's two tabs right here. And you're gonna this kind of locks in like that, so you're gonna pull it back and then tilt it up that way. And then don't pull too hard because there's the AC ribbon right here. You'll see it when I take it off. That's really important, and it's also really fragile. If you break that, then you'll have to buy a new one of these AC boxes. So there you go, your shift bezel is off. The reason that I have the center console out is just for viewing purposes. You don't have to have the center console, center bezel out. You do have to have the shift bezel out, but there's two screws under here. There's one on the right side, on the bottom of the box, and then there's one also on the left side of the box. So I'll unscrew these, and be careful with that ribbon. You don't want to rip that or break that, or I try not to even touch it because it's very sensitive. So we're on the left side right now, and there's just two screws that hold this in. So that screws out, and then to get this out, you're just going to pull it straight forward. It might catch on these tabs right here, but that's okay. And then there's going to be 3 plugs in the back of this. So unplug those. Like that. That one's loose, that one's loose, and that one's loose. So once that's loose, just pull those out. And there you go. That is how you remove your air conditioning control box on a 350Z.